A petition was filed in the Court of Appeal today seeking an order to prevent the Select Committee appointed to examine the impeachment motion against Chief Justice Dr. Shirani Bandaranaike from examining the motion. The 11 members of the Select Committee have been cited as the respondents in the petition filed by Chandra Jayaratna, a resident of Colombo. The petition will be taken up before an appeal court bench consisting of Justices Sri Skandaraja, Sisiradi Abru and Anil Gunaratna tomorrow. Meanwhile, a Bodhi Puja was held this morning to invoke blessings on Chief Justice Dr. Shirani Bandaranaike. The Bodhi Puja, which was held at a temple located in Colombo, was organized by the staff of the Supreme Court.
Issuing a media release, the Lawyers for Democracy or LFD has expressed its concern over the process that has been adopted to impeach Chief Justice Dr. Shirani Bandaranaike. They note that the recent incident coupled with the impeachment motion are a direct attack against maintaining an independent judiciary, a fundamental element in a functioning democracy. The LFD has urged that the impeachment process meets the basic principles of the rule of law and natural justice and provides the Chief Justice of Sri Lanka due process and justice.
The Lawyers for Democracy notes that the impeachment follows in the wake of several other attempts in recent times to interfere with and intimidate the judiciary, the most recent incident being the attack on the Secretary of the Judicial Service Commission. The LFD also states it is dismayed by the recent developments in the Parliamentary Select Committee that has been appointed to inquire into the 14 charges brought against the Chief Justice. The LFD notes that based on the limited information publicly available, it believes that the impeachment procedure provided by Standing Order 78 of Parliament contravenes natural justice and is incompatible with the Constitution of Sri Lanka. LFD therefore supports and aligns itself with the view of the Special Rapporteur on Independence of Judges and Lawyers, Gabriella Noel, that the present procedure to impeach the Chief Justice is incompatible with both the principle of separation of power and Article 14 of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. The organization in its media release further notes that proof of any misconduct committed by the Chief Justice has to be decided by a body that can look at the allegations objectively, impartially and not politically. It notes that composition of the Parliamentary Select Committee, which has 7 members from the government and 4 members from the opposition, raises a fundamental issue of bias and fairness. The LFD states that it is alarmed by the irreparable damage the exercise will have on the judiciary and rule of law in the country. The LFD also noted that according to reports, the PSC has attempted to limit legal representation for the Chief Justice and has not provided the Chief Justice with adequate time to respond to the charges being levelled against her. They have also expressed dismay about the fact that the Parliamentary Select Committee did not examine previous PSCs, in particular the one established to investigate into allegations made against former Chief Justice N.D.M. Samrakun. The media release also notes that the LFD is shocked that the Chief Justice of Sri Lanka is not provided with basic legal protection, raising further concern about the independence and impartiality of the entire impeachment process.
Speaking at a media briefing today, Venerable Madhuluave Sobitathera expressed his views on the impeachment motion that has been brought against the Chief Justice.
A select committee has been appointed to examine it. Those appointed are government politicians. It is being examined by 7 members from the government and 4 from the opposition. It is they who hear it and it is they who give the decision. It is they who recommend the punishment to the president as well. The decision is already clear. If it is 7-4, all of them will be working in a biased manner. The decision is clear.